Namaste, I am Sankar Dital and my friend.
And I am Tapbadur Chetri, applicant for the Amazing Thailand Film Challenge 2016. If you choose us, you will get tough competitor for the Amazing Thailand Film Challenge 2016. We have been working together for the last 3 years in our college projects, assignments, and short movies. As we know the essence and elements of filmmaking, we know how to hold and take audience to journey. And the strongest reason to select us is we both know each other so well and trust each other in respective field. At last, we hope you will give us this chance to prove this challenge and hope to see you soon in Bangkok. Thank you.